Okinawa Island is Japan's southernmost prefecture and is known for gorgeous sandy beaches. Okinawa is only accessible by plane. Okinawa has a lot of tourist spots such as Ryukyu Aquarium, Mansamo Beach, and Juri Castle. The climate of Okinawa differs from the mainland of Japan. It is subtropical with very muggy and rainy summers. It's not cold in the winter with an average temperature of around 17 Celsius. Even if you can't go to Okinawa, you can still enjoy the famous local foods that you can find in Tokyo. Here is Okinawan souvenir shop in Tokyo. The souvenir items are located at the basement at the first floor. This is the Sunpin tea. It is the most popular tea in Okinawa. These are large potato chips that use the famous salt from Ishigaki, Okinawa. Ishigaki salt is very popular here, which is known for its high calcium and is very healthy. This large with Ishigaki salt is limited edition and is sold here for a time period from March 1928 this year only. And these are nuts with Okinawa's own beer flavor. This is purple sweet potato tart, which is one of must-try items while visiting Okinawa. Not only tart, there are purple sweet potato cake and mango cake from Miyakojima Island, Okinawa too. You can find instant Okinawan soba noodles here too. And these are Okinawan tropical fruits. This is starfruit, papaya, banana, and mango. The Okinawan mango is very juicy and has a very smooth taste. And the most popular jam from Okinawa is this shikurasa jam. Shikurasa is very sour. It is often used like lemon or lime. There are many special dressings from Okinawa, such as Okinawan salt dressings and shikurasa dressings. If you are looking for some Japanese skincare, I recommend this brand to you, Julala. Julala is very rich and abundant in Okinawa's nature. It is extra gentle to the skin, leaving no pigments, and no synthetic fragrance were used. These are bar soap products. It's made with the seawater in Okinawa. These are bitter gourd body gel and Shiza sheet mask. And this is Shiza, the traditional Okinawan guardian of the house. This is Okinawa Pottery. It's very famous because Shibuya district has remained the heart of Okinawan pottery industry. There are varieties of Okinawan glasses too. The glass requires professional skill to make and also symbolize Okinawan history. This is a traditional Okinawan string instrument. It's called sangshin that is made from snake skin. While inexpensive sangshins are sold as souvenirs, professional quality sangshins can be very expensive. There are many kinds of Okinawan alcoholic drinks too. This is one of the most famous Okinawan drinks. It is called Habushu. Habushu is Okinawan snake wine. It contains 14 to 19 kinds of amino acids and also contains abundant minerals such as calcium and iron. Would you like to try this? There are many things to see here. It is so fun. Okinawan souvenir shop. Thank you for watching. See ya!